All right, let's talk about one of the most paradoxical beauty secrets out there. It's a simple oil that some people are calling nature's Botox, but you are not going to believe where it comes from.
So, a dangerous beauty secret. And yeah, when I say dangerous, I am absolutely not exaggerating. Let's just kick things off with a pretty shocking fact about the plant this oil is made from. I know, it sounds super dramatic, right? Can a beauty secret actually be deadly? But honestly, it's a completely valid question. The source of castor oil is hiding a secret that is, well, it's far from beautiful. And here is the paradox. The very same plant, the castor bean, gives us two wildly different things. On one hand, you get this amazing, powerful healing oil. But on the other, inside its raw beans, you find one of the deadliest toxins known to man, ricin. And just to put this into perspective for you, the toxin ricin is 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide. And get this, a staggering 12,000 times more potent than rattlesnake venom. So you've got to be asking, how on earth did we end up putting his oil on our faces? Well, this isn't some new, risky trend that just popped up. Nope. In fact, it's a remedy that has truly stood the test of time. I mean, we are talking about thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians were using it. The Romans used it. So many ancient cultures relied on this stuff for its incredible healing properties, way before we had the modern chemistry to understand why it worked. So what's the secret sauce?
The magic behind castor oil really just comes down to its main active compound. It's this unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. And this is the little molecule that's behind all of those amazing effects.
Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. Why people are actually comparing this oil to Botox and what it can really do for your skin.
This is what you hear from people all the time. So many users say they put it on at night and are just genuinely shocked when they wake up. They say their skin looks noticeably different, softer, firmer, and it has this healthy glow, sometimes after just one use. So how does it pull it off? Well, a few ways. First, it's a super deep moisturizer that literally traps water in your skin, keeping it hydrated. It's also a really potent anti-inflammatory, so it's amazing for calming down redness and irritation. And on top of all that, it's antimicrobial, which helps fight off acne-causing bacteria and can even help fade dark spots. But maybe the most impressive part, there's evidence that castor oil can actually help your body produce more collagen. And, as you know, collagen is absolutely crucial for keeping your skin looking firm and fighting off wrinkles. But hey, the benefits don't just stop with your face. This is an incredibly versatile oil. It's a real multitasker. You can use this one single oil to hydrate dry hair and deal with split ends. People swear by it for helping their eyelashes and eyebrows grow. You can use it to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks, and you can even use it as a fantastic makeup remover that nourishes your skin while it cleans. So, if you're feeling a little curious and you want to give it a shot, here's exactly what you need to know to get started the right way. Okay, this part is super important. Not all castor oil is created equal. It is absolutely worth spending a little bit extra for a version that's cold-pressed, organic, and, this is key, hexane-free. Hexane is an industrial solvent you really want to avoid. You'll also hear a lot of people rave about Jamaican black castor oil, saying it gives even better results. Now, applying it couldn't be simpler. You only need a couple of drops. Seriously, that's it. Just warm it up between your fingertips and gently pat it on your face before bed, maybe focusing on any dry spots or little wrinkles. The real trick is letting it work its magic overnight while you're sleeping. And maybe the best part of all, for all of these incredible benefits we've been talking about, this whole routine could cost you as little as 3 cents a day. I mean, it's just an unbelievably affordable way to take care of your skin. But, and this is a big but, there is one very important safety warning to know about. Castor oil can induce labor. So if you're pregnant, you need to be really cautious and definitely avoid applying it to your abdomen or pelvic area. Okay, let's circle all the way back to that fascinating question we started with. Poison or miracle? What's the verdict? So we know for a fact the source plant has a deadly toxin, but we also know the oil itself is hailed as this safe and effective remedy. How is that even possible? Well, the answer actually comes down to some really basic chemistry. That ricin toxin, it's water-soluble, and castor oil is, well, an oil. And as we all learned from salad dressing, oil and water just do not mix. So when they're actually making the oil, the production process itself separates the oil from all the water-soluble parts of the bean, and that's where the toxin stays, so it gets left behind. Reputable companies will then test the final product to make absolutely sure there's zero poison left, making it completely safe for you to use. It's a truly fascinating paradox, isn't it? That a single plant can be both incredibly dangerous and incredibly therapeutic. It really makes you wonder, what other ancient, powerful remedies like this are still out there, just hiding in plain sight?
Thanks so much for watching. If you had fun getting to the bottom of this mystery, you should definitely check out the other explainers we have on our channel to satisfy your curiosity.